Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community here at Self. Today we are diving back into the world of credit cards and we'll be breaking down the top credit card terms that you should know. If you've ever felt confused reading a credit card statement or applying for a credit card, this video is for you. We will clear up all that jargon. First up, some credit card companies charge an annual fee to use the card, benefits, and perks that they offer. An annual fee is a charge that the card issuer or financial institution typically applies once a year for the use of certain credit. Now let's talk about annual percentage rate or APR. Your APR is the interest rate, including some fees. Think of this as the cost of borrowing money. A balance transfer is when you move one debt on one card to another, often to take advantage of a lower interest rate. Now, people typically transfer their balance on one card to another card that has a lower interest rate, or sometimes it has a 0% introductory interest rate for a set period of time. So it can simplify your finances by combining a bunch of different balances on different cards into one card, making it a lot easier to manage your debt. Now, this can be a smart move for saving on interest, but be careful of balance transfer fees, which can impact your APR. A billing cycle is the period between two billing statements for a credit card. It's typically about 28 to 31 days, but it can vary depending on the card issuer. Here's how it works. A billing cycle begins on a specific date each month and ends that same day the following month. For example, a billing cycle might start on the 1st of each month and ends on the 30th of that same month. Now, this can be any purchases, withdrawals, balance transfers, or payments made, and it'll be recorded on your statement for the cycle that month. Speaking of statement, at the end of a billing cycle, your credit card issuer will calculate your balance, including any interest and fees, and they will issue you a statement showing you what you owe. You'll then have a due date, usually 21 to 25 days after the billing cycle ends, which then you'll have to at least make your minimum payment. If you pay your balance in full by the due date, you won't be charged any interest on the purchases you made during that billing cycle. A cash advance allows you to withdraw cash using your credit card. Now, this is considered a short-term loan from your card's line of credit. However, this does come with high interest and sometimes a fee. Plus, interest on cash advances start accruing immediately, unlike regular purchases that do have a grace period. This is the maximum amount of money a lender allows you to borrow on a credit account. Think of it as a spending cap set by your bank or card issuer. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit, you have up to $1,000 to spend. Regularly using too much of your available credit without paying off your balance can have a negative impact on your credit score. But on the other hand, if you keep your balances low, generally that will have a positive impact on your credit score. A grace period is the time between your billing cycle and your payment due date. So if you pay off your balance in full by the due date, you may not be charged interest on purchases you made during that billing cycle. Missing a payment? This can lead to a late credit card fee. This penalty can hurt both your wallet and your credit score, so make sure you're paying on time by setting up auto pay and calendar reminders so that you can stay on track. Every month, your credit card company requires you to pay at least the minimum payment. This is the smallest amount you can pay to keep your account in good standing. But here's a tip. Paying only the minimum means that you'll end up paying more interest over time. So if you can, try to make more on that payment if you can. All right, that's a wrap on the top credit card terms you should know. Using these credit card terms may help you use your credit card more efficiently and avoid unnecessary fees. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. For more credit tips, you can always go to self.inc. Bye!